Good day, AP Biology students. Welcome to video lecture episode 14. Today's lecture is going to be short because we're going to be ending one chapter and getting the warm-up questions for the next chapter, so I wanted to give you some time to be able to work on that. So looking at slide 26, we're going to talk about torpor and energy conservation. So there's three terms that we're going to define on there briefly, and I'm going to show some representation of it in some images in slide 27, and we'll get to that in just a moment. All right? Now, torpor, what is it? Torpor is a physiological state in which activity is low and metabolism decreases. They save energy while avoiding difficult and dangerous conditions. Then we have hibernation. This one I'm sure most of us are familiar with. Hibernation is torpor, which is during winter, cold and food scarcity. So that's torpor. Hibernation is a type of torpor. All right, and it happens during wintertime, which is when it's cold and when food is scarce. I mean, there's not a lot of it. And then the last one we have is a summer torpor, and that's estivation. And that's surviving long periods of high temperatures and scarce water. And this one we should be familiar with because we understand living in a desert how, especially during the summer, the temperatures are high and water would be naturally harder to find if you think about if you lived in nature. All right. Now, if we look at slide 27, we can just see some examples of both hibernation and estivation on the images there. And then if we go to slide 28, there's 4 questions for warm-up, getting us prepared for the next chapter, which will be chapter 41, Animal Nutrition. Okay, the first question is this. What is the principle of countercurrent exchange? 2, what are the 4 classes of macromolecules? 3, say you eat a piece of candy. List the structures it passes through as it travels through your alimentary canal. And question number 4, where does most of the digestion of the candy from question 3 happen? All right, don't worry, I'm going to post this slide with these questions in case you were not able to get those, and you can include those in your notes for today. All right, have a nice day, and I do hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. You can reach out to me, send me an email, and I hope this has been helpful. Have a nice day. Goodbye.